That's 2. 4 out of 100 left. I didn't get him with that one. See, there's still 3. I don't think I even tagged him a little bit. I think he ran behind the building and was out. I hear people still fighting, so I'm like, I'm going to stay in here for a little bit. And I was like, no, I'm going to go out here. Headshot. Picked up the golden AK. It's all good. See, look. I'm on the Nimbus right now. This is the last kill. 2 people left. So I'm flying down, shooting at them, and then eventually I run out of bullets. And then I'm like, nah, I'm going to kamehameha.
Nice.
Then you know you got to dance on them.